Navigating recovery, the benefits of physical therapy for stroke. Navigating stroke recovery can be challenging, but physical therapy plays a crucial role in helping survivors regain independence and improve their quality of life. At Palm Wellness Center, we specialize in personalized physical therapy for stroke survivors, ensuring each patient receives the care they need to thrive. Physical therapy is essential in stroke rehabilitation, providing targeted treatments to restore function and mobility. Our experienced therapists begin with comprehensive assessments to create tailored regimens that address each patient's unique needs. Here are some key benefits of physical therapy for stroke recovery. Gait training helps rebuild walking ability and improve balance using tools like bodyweight support or treadmill training. Constraint-Induced Movement Therapy, CIMT, encourages use of the affected limb by restraining the unaffected side, promoting brain retraining. Mirror therapy uses mirrors to create the illusion of symmetrical movement, enhancing motor function in the affected limb. Functional electrical stimulation, FES, activates weakened muscles through electrical stimulation, improving movement and function. Aquatic therapy utilizes the buoyancy of water for safe, supported movement, reducing pain and promoting recovery. At Palm Wellness Center, we collaborate with occupational and speech therapists to provide a holistic approach to stroke rehabilitation. This integrated strategy ensures comprehensive care, addressing both physical and cognitive aspects of recovery. Find the best path to recovery with Palm Wellness Center, your trusted partner in rehabilitation. Contact us today at 813-443-5370 or visit us online at palmwellness.center to schedule a consultation and start your journey to better health.